Let's tour this spacious modern garden home here in Ayala Alabang, Muntinlupa City. Hi, this is Jake Bautista from Metroguide Realty, and today we're touring this 5-bedroom, modern and spacious house and lot for sale here in Ayala Alabang, Muntinlupa City. If you're looking for a property with a large recreational space, then this property might be for you. Now, let's begin by taking a look at the parking area. You have parking for at least 6 vehicles. You have this covered portion here. And then on this side, you can appreciate how wide the frontage of the property is. The house has a modern facade accentuated with adobe, and in terms of the size, it has a total floor area of about 1,000 square meters across 2 levels on an 854 square meter lot. Now let's go. You can also walk all around the house, and right here you have your main entry. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. You have a wide hallway space, giving you plenty of natural light from this side, since this sliding door gives you access towards the parking area. So that's also for convenience, especially if you have groceries that you need to bring up here, or you can also bring them around the house towards the auxiliary space. And on this side, you have the first room in the house. This can be considered a bedroom, but this can also be a great den space. You have a floor-to-ceiling window here and a glass door, but you can easily have that covered if you'd like to use this as a bedroom. But in terms of the size, this would make for an excellent movie room or additional living space. Now, this can be used as a bedroom because it has its own ensuite bathroom. This property also has quality Duravit and color fixtures. So far, this house has a very calm feel. It has a very homey feel as well. But at the same time, you cannot deny the size of the space. You have this wooden paneling for the wall here, giving a warm feel for the area. And then on this side, you have your main living room. Now, your living space has a high ceiling. And another great feature of this space is you have this floor-to-ceiling window giving you a view of a rock garden with a tree decoration as well. So that's a nice view of nature from your living space. And then you can see that the living space is so large that you have this central hub area right here that you don't need to furnish. But of course, the area is large enough that you can even have 2 separate living room sets. And from this space, you have your dining area. There's a partition here, but it's been left open because that gives you the option to potentially have a sliding door here in the future. But right now, you see that the space can easily accommodate even a table for 12 people. And you also have that view of the tree once again. You have plenty of natural light because you have sliding doors on both sides of the dining area. And you have one of the best features of this home, a large and spacious Lanai swimming pool and garden area. Let's take a look. Now look at the size of your Lanai space. You can easily have multiple tables set up here if you have a party or get together. You can have an additional table here, or even a game table on this side. And from this angle, you can appreciate the 800 plus square meter lot area. You have your swimming pool on this side, and then a garden here on the other side, excellent for barbecues. If you have pets as well, and if you have family members who play sports outdoors, this is a great area. From this angle, you can appreciate also the facade of the property. And I would say that the facade from the back of the house is more impactful than the front. It's very low profile at the front of the house, but from this angle, you can fully appreciate the size and scale of the property. And from here, let's now explore your modern kitchen. Let's go. Here we are at your modern kitchen, which has a very clean aesthetic because of the white cabinetry. You have a large island countertop here, excellent for meal prepping. There's a space here for stools. And then, of course, there's space already where you can put an oven and even a large cooktop as well. On this side, you have a room which can serve as an auxiliary space. Of course, it's already up to you how you want to set this up. And then you have the room here for circuit breakers, and then an additional staff room on this side. You also have a second staff room for this home on top of this one. And let's very quickly take a look at the laundry area at the side of the house. So from the auxiliary space, you have a covered area here where you can have your washing machines as well. Okay, set on in. Having such a large lot area of more than 800 square meters makes it so easy to lay out the property. Everything feels free-flowing. There isn't any cramped space throughout the property. And now, let's take a look here at your powder room. Very conveniently placed beside the stairs. So it's also a maximized space. There's even space here for an additional display area just to spruce up your powder room. Now let's head on up towards the second level so we can explore the 4 rooms upstairs. Let's go. Welcome to the second level of this home, where you have a great view of your living space. And then you have immediately from the staircase a spacious covered balcony area. Now, this is not just a balcony, it's an enclosed amenity space because of the size. This is a great design feature of having this floor-to-ceiling window also, giving you a view of your staircase as well. And then you can imagine having a table and a couple of chairs right here if you want some open air. And this is a shared amenity for the 4 bedrooms here at the second floor. Let's go. Now, we're here at the family hallway space. There's a nice seating area right here. So that you can imagine having additional furniture right here and then a television set here on the other side. And this would be a very nice second living space as well. You already have air conditioning units throughout the property. And then right here you have your second room. It's positioned at the front of the house, and what's nice is you have these vertical wooden slats to give you privacy from the front of the house as well. And then you have space here that can easily accommodate even a queen-sized bed. You have built-in cabinetry already. And a bathroom on this side. So the bathrooms have a very modern feel, and they have Duravit branded fixtures, which is a quality brand in terms of bathroom fixtures as well. And then on the other side, you have your third room. Now, I like the picture windows on this side. This is maximizing the east side of the property because west is on the other side, so you have the morning sun for this room, and it's quite cool in the afternoons. And then it also has an ensuite bathroom as well. And then here on the other side of the property, you have your fourth room. Now this space is maximized for additional storage as well. Now the fourth room is already facing the garden amenity of the property. So you have this large sliding door. And then you can have even a king-sized bed here facing the garden area. And then you have this sliding door leading out to a covered balcony, which also has a ceiling fan. Now this is such a soothing area because you have the view of the garden, and then you have excellent privacy as well. And then right here you have an ensuite bathroom, once again with Duravit fixtures. All the bathrooms have a very clean and modern look. And that's a great contrast to the warm feel given by the natural wood for the floorings. Now you have this large entry for your master bedroom. Let's go. Master bedroom is befitting for the property because of its size. It's large enough to have this main area right here, and then on this side you have this floor-to-ceiling window giving you a view of the rock garden and tree amenity on this side. And I think there's even a bird's nest in the tree. So right here, this would make for an excellent amenity space in terms of an entertainment area or even a home office space with this relaxing view. And then on the other side, you have, of course, access towards your walk-in closet space. You have cabinetry on both sides. The space is large enough that it has its own Daikin split type inverter air conditioning unit. And then, of course, your primary bathroom. With a dual vanity sink space with Duravit sinks. And of course, your shower area, which has a view of your garden. And you can easily put additional shades here, rolling blinds as well. From your master bedroom, let's take a look at your master bedroom's spacious balcony area. Now, this is a great complement to your spacious master bedroom because you can have this space as an exercise area in the mornings, or you can make this a nice additional space where you can relax with even a bench right here and the table, overlooking your swimming pool and garden area. So if you're looking for a sprawling home that's uncomplicated in terms of the design, it's very intuitive. You have one room downstairs, 4 rooms upstairs, and such a relaxing space for recreation for your family and friends, then this is an excellent property. Thank you for joining us in this tour of this brand new 5-bedroom, modern and spacious house and lot for sale in Ayala Alabang, Muntinlupa City. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, you can contact us through our details in the description below, and you can also send us a message through Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bring you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.